Zombie apocalypse.
Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are actually recreating a project that we made a month ago. It was the home security system based on Python. In that video, when we ended up making the system, we told you that it would look way cooler if it could speak, but at the time the speak function was not working on our computers. So we researched and found a solution. The problem was, in order to get voices from Windows, you need to actually activate it. So we activated the Windows, and now don't get us how we activated it. It's a long story. Well, other than that, let's get started on this project. Okay, so here where we left last time. So in order to get voices, we need to actually add or import a module into Python, which is pyttsx3. We will write import, then write pyttsx3. okay, it's suggesting us. Okay, so in your computer it might not be installed, so in order to install it, you will go to the terminal and write pip install pyttsx3 and hit enter. After a couple of seconds it will say it's installed. Okay, in our computer it's saying requirement already satisfied because we have already installed it, so it ends. So in order to speak the system, it needs a kind of a engine. So let's write its engine, which is engine. Okay, it's a variable. Okay, defining it as engine, we will say pyttsx3 dot init, which is the configuration file of Python, and in bracket then say sappy5. So I know most of you are asking, what is a sappy5? Well, you have to Google search for that. Okay, let's open up Google for you. And say sappy5 and enter. Okay, go to the Wikipedia page now, and here you can see what is sappy5. Well, I have read the statement what is sappy5, so I will tell you basically what is it. Microsoft gives us voice built into Windows, so in order to get it, you have to write sappy5. I think it's a basically name of the voices or kind of function of the voices. Now let's get our voices. Write a variable voices and then equals to, then write engine, which is a variable, and then dot get property and say in the bracket voices. Okay, now let's print our voices here. So let's print voices, then second bracket 0, which is 1, then after the bracket write 1.id, and let's see what is our first voice on number 0 voice. Okay, here you can see a line writing David. So David is the male version which has Microsoft built into Windows. And what is our second voice, which is 1? I know it's a bit strange, but we cannot do anything because Microsoft has made this order for voices. Then what is our second voice? It's Zeta, which is the female version of our voices. So in the entrance of the house, most of us, however, like female voices to greet us or anything like that. So we will set voice number 1 as our voice. So write voices again, and then equal, then set property like at sp, so it will suggest. Okay, it's not suggesting us. Okay, we have to write engine first. Dot sp, then it will suggest set property, then hit enter. After that write voices, and after the close area write a comma, then write voices again, which is the value, not vocasis. Voices, and again give it second bracket and say 1. .id. Yep, and done. So you might be thinking, yes, it's ready, but you are mistaking here. Give any print statement on your audio projects hashtag. Press shift and 3, it will give hashtag. What it basically does is disables the line following hashtag in Python, so your codes get much cleaner. Now we need to write our speak function. So let's write it. Define it as speak. Oops. And in the give it a bracket and say audio. Okay, let me give you a few tricks and tips on Python now. When you see a word or something goes black in Python, that means it doesn't making sense to it, so you have to make it sense, so it recognizes why are we writing this. So then after giving it colon, then write engine.say what it will say, audio, right? And yes, now you can see it is white, which means it's now recognizing what is audio. Yeah, pretty much simple. And again write engine dot run and wait. And I know some of you asking what is a run and wait. Select it, shift right, yep, shift and right click on it, and now you can see what is run and wait. It says runs an event loop until a command's queue up until this method called complete blocks during event loop and returns is queue cleared, and says rise runtime error when the loop is already running. Okay, so now you know what to do. Now let's define our system now, which is the important part. And give it definition of system. It will show as system is a what do you say, as a machine. Yes, I guess. Give it colon and hit enter, and let's write our hello part here. For some reason I have mistakenly erased it, so let's write our greetings print hi there, and while writing it, let's make it a little bit convenient. Okay, hi there, and let's make it little bit convenient. Let's say please enter your password. Okay, it will say it will not print, so if you are kind of confused, what do I use, higher case or lower case? It's not that much hard. Okay, now pay attention here. In Python, if your definited system is not in a correct order, like in a block, so it won't work and it will show errors. So here you can see a line coming down to if, so match this line with if, and now it knows what you are talking about. Do with every elif or an else part also, and give print statements a little bit further push. Come on, no, it's a bit, yep, for the else part. Okay, now it's not showing errors, and now you can see there is two red lines here because print statements are close to functions or conditions. Now change every print statement to speak statement, because you know it can't print voices. Okay, you while you talk you don't write, right? So let's change prints to speak. Okay, suggestion. Okay, take suggestion for a little bit convenient on your work, so it stays nice and you feel chilled. Right, and S and enter. Okay, what we kind of mistaken here, and done. Yep, we are pretty much done here, and let's make our intruder part a little bit scarier. So it will say intruder, and 2 times intruder, then it will say calling 911. Let's see, shall we stop and again be okay, it doesn't say like that. Okay, now you can see it saying as intended block, unexpected and intended block. Okay, let's fix it. Where is it? High? Oh, okay, it's not and done. Okay, let's see. Hey, what? It's not speaking. What did we miss here? Okay, now we found it. What is missing? We have to write our main function which is if under double underscore name and double equals to underscore main, and this is our main function, and under it you will write system and done. So it would speak the system and change the print statement and to speak statement again. Stop it and then rerun it. Nope, it's
1 hour later.
So we have found an error. We need to write voice here. Now let's hope our best. Not speaking.
2 hours later.
Wait. Shit. This was the stupid thing that was. Now it will work. Yes.
Hi there, please enter your password.
Yes, it works now. Now let's go and fix some errors. Like you can see, even giving space here, it's saying fast, like really fast. So let's
Hi
see.
there, please enter your password.
So let's see how it performs in the intruder part.
Intruder calling 911.
Okay, so it basically lags. So if you want to give it a break for a while, give it some dots in your code, which are basically dot strings as known. Okay, now let's see.
Hi there, please enter your password.
Perfect. Now to the intruder part. Not make sure it's on the it's inside the inverted comma so it doesn't lag. Okay, and 911 it was saying, so give it like 2 dots per number. Now let's see.
Hi there, please enter your password.
Perfect.
Intruder calling 911.
Bit of lags, and let's see. 3 dots.
Hi there, please enter your password.
Let's try again.
Intruder calling 911.
So I think that's messing up a bit, but let's get it fixed. Now let's see.
Hi there, please enter your password.
432.
Intruder calling 911.
Again lags. Dot 1.
Hi there, please enter your password. Intruder calling 911.
It's very fast. Little spacing magic.
Hi there, please enter your password. Intruder. Intruder calling 911.
Again lags.
No, God!
Okay, so it kind of reads the code here. Now let's see if it's fast enough.
Hi there, please enter your password. Intruder calling 911.
Okay, now it performs perfectly. So let's make it more smart here. Nope, not today. That's another topic for another video. Well, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell, then you won't miss any video, and we hope to see you next time. Goodbye for now.